boys.
Oh! Hey, what a lad. Whoa, bloody you, my fucking hell now.
This is it. We're
Here it is, fucking hell.
Yeah, it's fucking lovely here.
It's beautiful.
We gotta fucking find somewhere to park. Joe, what the fuck?
Oh no. This is a very nice little fucking route.
Yeah, I don't know where we're gonna park.
Fuck knows.
Those flats look horrible.
They do, they look like pure shit. I feel sorry for anyone who's living in those.
You miss a song, you wanna cry.
It's such a nice area.
Right, we're in.
Hey.
Look, there's kegs on there.
Well, boys, here we go again. For the first time in quite a while.
Hello, future me.
It's been a long time now since we as a group have urbexed anywhere.
Hello.
Hello, mate. We're looking for a bunker we've been to before. And it shouldn't actually be that hard to find. Been about a 1.5 hour drive. So let's hope it's worth it. So what we're looking for is a World War II railway control centre. Essentially, during the war, the buildings used, the signal boxes and things like that used to control the railways. Obviously there was the threat of German bombing, as well as damaging the railways, damaging the signal system, and also mainly killing the occupants of signal switch boxes and things like that. What the fuck is he doing?
He's returned to monkey.
The bunker we're trying to find essentially was the bunker that was built in order to ensure that the railways could remain properly controlled, even with the bombings causing issues with it. It also protected the people who knew how to control the railway.
I don't remember it being this steep.
Nor do I. This bunker actually did see use past the Second World War and saw use into the 1960s, if I recall correctly. Since then it has been decommissioned and closed off, and it sits in a location that is surprisingly not that difficult to find. There's also traces of other small defence bits and things like that around the bunker, such as anti-tank spikes.
Oh my god.
Right, head this way. Joe, who gave Joe the radio? We need to find a way left into the park.
Yeah, you guys got me clear, yeah?
Yeah, you got it. Man and clear, buckaroo.
Right, head towards there. There's a cutting through the bushes there. Oh no, that's mud. Look at the view from here though. We've got to go down here. Oh my god.
Hello, Tom. Over.
Well, this is what we're contending with.
I remember these, this is really cool, over.
Yeah, we came down these last time. Yeah, I just nearly fell down them now.
Oh, these so dodgy.
Take them carefully.
Oh, is it down here then?
Yeah, it's in this park.
We're going
I'll know it when I see it. It's a gorgeous place, this. They're still up there. George is now down there. And I'm still here. Huh? No, it's not this actually. He's disappeared into the tunnel. George, mate, you're not meant to go down there. Wait, what? There's a pineapple. Where? Oh, canned pineapple. What the fuck? See, people have tried to fucking dig through that.
Lewis, where is this place?
You'll find it. I'll show you in a minute.
Where is it? What
That
is
is
it?
pineapple. It might even be peach.
It looks like
I'd say pineapple though, yeah.
yeah.
It's pineapple.
How long has that been there?
There goes the bloke. Let's fucking have at it. How about the... Oh, fuck, my trousers are falling down, bro. No! I didn't do up the fucking shit. Oh.
Right, on me, boys.
Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I'm getting that fucking hood up. Oh, oh shit. Oh. Ah, swampus. Looks like the fucking Firelink shrine from Dark Souls 1. Just trying to get my torch out. Beautiful.
Right, here we are. We're in here now.
This is the locale.
It's good to be back.
It is.
It's a lovely little place.
Oh, it fucking is, yeah. It's good to be back when it's a lot drier as well.
I don't think it's changed very much, to be honest.
Not particularly.
This is quite good.
Yeah.
Watch that.
That ain't good.
Probably had, I don't know what, that might have been the air system maybe that went under
Possibly.
that. Maybe, don't quote me. We've been through this place quite slowly when we came here in May. And yeah, it's not really changed much.
Not at all, really. I mean, look how easy it is to access, and thank God it hasn't changed much.
No, it looks a bit more damp because it's winter.
Yeah, exactly. That's like
It's a lot
God.
more damp.
Wait until it focuses. There you go. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, but it's not too much. It's not too big of a deal.
No, it's still
Yeah,
fairly decent.
This, for example, you can see the damp reflecting off of it all the condensation and moisture.
Oh
in
God,
there.
yeah. Yeah, you really can. Yeah, look
No,
at
I
these.
miss these nice roofs though.
Yeah, they're
Square
just
roofs,
nice.
High ceilings. People having fucking. Have they tried to set those on fire?
It kind of looks like it, actually.
It looks like they have.
Hmm.
That's fucking stupid, man.
Yeah, so why with the fucking tea lights?
Sea lights, links. Oh, I know what they've done. They've sprayed it and tried to burn a fucking star and stuff like that.
Yeah, and they fucked up royally.
There's no ghosts in these fucking bunkers. No one died here.
Exactly, it's like you fucking uneducated fools.
The main fucking reason they build these bunkers is so people don't die.
Exactly, it's the exact opposite of what they think it's for. What the fuck is that?
It's fucking gone. That wasn't like that last time. Oh, we've seen all these memes, haven't we, Tom?
Oh wait, no, it's still there.
How you doing?
Exactly, yeah.
History! Wait, it's just a communications bunker. Always has been. You never know, this might work in the post-apocalypse.
Possibly.
Some of this is new.
Yeah,
Was that ever there?
I think it was.
Was it?
We'll have to check
Don't
that.
advertise.
Yeah.
No,
We'll
fuck
put a big
that.
blur over it.
Look at the actual rust though. It's becoming fucking powder.
It is. Just
Like-
take a big lick of it.
No, just rush. Does it? Are you going up those stairs? I was gonna say, don't go up them. Are you fucking nuts?
Yeah, no. Yeah, fuck that.
Let's have a look.
How high up it goes.
One at a time.
Single file.
Have you seen how high up that goes?
Oh yeah, it goes very fucking high. Up there. Trust me, you don't want to go up those.
Yeah.
Look at the state of them.
That's pretty scary, isn't it?
Come on, boys, let's have a
Is there
tea.
any other way up there though?
Not really.
Oh, look how big he is. Well, he's not that big, he's big.
It used to be a way in this. That's rusted a little bit more since last time.
Unless you go past and then I'll go up.
Looking inside the aircon unit this time. Was it like this last time?
I think it might have been.
Yeah.
Have a look.
I think it's just rusted a bit more. You can see inside like the air pump and all that. As well as the motor. I didn't look at that last time. You can see in the motor there. That's quite cool, that. I'm not sure how old this system would be. And could either be the 40s system or they've uprated it to a 60s system. One of the two. I don't fucking know about that one, and I don't think I'm ever going to find out. But yes, this bunker did have some pretty serious air extraction. If you look, for fuck's sake, if you look at that, that looks like heating almost, doesn't it?
It does. It's got all the signs of heat.
Yeah, coming out the floor like that.
Oh shit.
You got more of these running along. Yeah, I see now how it works. And that was what went in there. For fuck's sake, lads. I knew this was going to happen.
There you go, it's fun now, right there. Just move back some.
Wood's rotted a little bit more. That or people have pulled it off the fucking edges. Yeah, this looks same old to me.
Yeah, this is. Technically, this is a sequel.
Technically it is, yeah.
By the time you're seeing this, the first one hasn't even been made.
Oh mate, is it me or is the rust looking worse?
That's disgusting.
That's terrible. I'm pretty sure if you hit that with a hammer, that would just break.
Let's go. Should we try it?
No.
No.
You don't underestimate steel because it can hold up surprisingly well. You know, here we are again, the old lamps. I think that comm system here has been moved. Someone's moved it
Oh yeah.
and slightly burnt it.
Yeah, that's looking.
Still bits and pieces left. Well, it's been like 80 years. It's going to start looking like this, sadly. Unless you find a place that has been sort of just literally left like completely and utterly empty. But I mean, this it's definitely not going to collapse with that running through it.
No.
What is that? Like maybe the I-beam itself is running like maybe what, an inch, just under an inch thickness, and that's with rust on it. So God knows how thick it was originally. Yeah. And part of me wonders if this was a mount for a light or if it was something else. What's for there again? I've forgotten. Ah, this is another way out. Faster way into the comms room, I suppose.
Yeah.
Still got these. They're still here and they're still in good nick as well.
Yeah, we're fine and dandy, just looking at rusty shit.
See all the way down there.
Whereabouts are you guys? Oh, good stuff. Alright, no worries.
I failed to realise the paint that was still on the walls here.
Oh yeah.
Yellow. So, sort of more Cold War paint.
Mm.
It'd be lovely to see this place restored, but it won't happen.
Yeah, it's a good luck.
Yeah, obviously you've got more electronics boxes there. And this is the room where a famous picture was taken.
Oh yeah, indeed it is.
The pipes are still in the same place, but they're still just as annoying. And that's not changed. Yeah, the paint is still pretty intact for this place. What do you think? The paint in this place, like the stuff like the paint and just the place in general, has remained intact a little bit more, purely because it's sort of Cold War use.
Yeah, exactly.
The longer you get the air pumping around in the system, the less time the damp has to build up and start fucking shit up. Considering that if this place was decommissioned in, say, 45, 46, it probably would look a bit worse than this.
Mm-hmm.
Not that people used to vandalise nearly as much back in the post-war days.
Oh, still recording.
Unfortunately, some of these bunkers do sort of disappear off the radar for quite a long time. The only thing I don't like right now is the fact that these are now protruding out of the ground. But, nice place either way. I've definitely missed it. We've only been in here about 20 minutes, really. It's not a big place. Right, it's time we got out, though. This adventure shall carry on, because we've got to go home yet. This park is genuinely gorgeous though. The stairs coming down from there all the way down to here. Really makes use of the geography, doesn't it? I haven't really spent that long in there, but you know what? It's been a nice fucking drive, and it was worth it, I'd say.
Yeah, definitely.
Finally get back to somewhere. We're currently in the process of making our exit, and I have absolutely no idea where we are. Can I ask you what you're trying to do right now?
Just chilling. Sit up here, smoke a doobie. Look how comfortable I am.
Yeah, it doesn't look like you know. There you go. As nature intended it. Nature's slide.
Oh yeah.
But hey, bugs and splinters up your
Got
ass.
2 cameras on me, I feel like
You do,
paparazzi's
yeah.
around. We're so famous. So fucking famous.
Let's get out of here, boys.
I'll do that. I'll do the oil.
It's alright.
Oh, thank you. Good stuff.
Let's go. Right, we're on the homeward bound now. I'm also fucking hungry. Well, we found somewhere to eat. Thank God. Or maybe not thank God. I'm probably going to feel that in the morning, to be fair. Right, it's time to get out of here. Oh, what is this uphill? We're going back to the car. Yes, we are going the right way. You just can't get that out of your head, can you? Right, this way, towards the shitty masonettes. Yeah, look at this. This is quite a nice park, isn't it? I wonder what that used to be. There she is. Oh, it's a lovely day, but it is cold. And I want to get back home. Alright, well, I think that'll be it, boys. So, I will see you lot later. Did I just run that light?
I don't know. I was looking at the big cock.